How to refund a game on Steam. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So I'm over here inside of Steam, and what you want to do is click on the top right or top left corner, and then go to the settings over here. Once you are here, you want to go ahead and click on the account details. And once you are here, you can already see a button over here where my mouse is on view purchase history. Now here is actually where you can request a refund for a game. So here you can see all of the purchases, but for example, let's find a game. For example, let's say this game. I can click on here. And then here I can actually click on I would like a refund, but there is actually a policy of Steam regarding refunds, and that is that the game has to be bought within 14 days and less than 2 hours of playtime. Now, if you are over the 2 hours within 14 days or have less than 2 hours but over 14 days, then unfortunately it is not possible to refund. Now, if you actually are in the policy still, then you can click on I would like to request a refund, and then here it says I'd like to request a refund, and here you can already see that I'm actually not able to do this due to the time and the time played. But yeah, that is basically it. That's where you can do it. So that is how to refund a game on Steam. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I'll see you next time.